Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the kitty cat look for Miss Mila for Halloween, and I got everything at Walmart, so I'll be leaving everything down below so you can see how much everything cost. So right here I was just measuring Mila to see how long I want the tutu to be, and she was kind of scared because she thought she was going to fall off the chair, but that's how short I'm going to cut it. You can do however long you want, just whatever you guys like. Okay, so now that I know how long I want it to be, I'm just gonna cut all my material, so all the tulle that I'm gonna be using for the tutu. So this is what I use for my tutus that I make now. I used to use ribbon, but I use this now. It's from Walmart also. And I'm gonna start with the bottom row first. So I'm just gonna take a piece of my tulle and I'm gonna fold it. Oh my god, you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm even telling you this. So yeah, this is what I do for my tutus. I don't know why this was being so difficult. I usually use a 2 liter to hold my base, or a gallon of juice or something. So I don't have to, look for the hole. It can just be already there. This is how the first layer looks. I mean, you can keep it like this if you like it, but it's just your choice. So this is the final look with the 2 layers. You can add more, but this was fine for me. I was already getting tired. But it looks cute. What do you guys think? Look at her. The final look, the kitty cat for Miss Mila for this Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.